Good day, sir. In this video, I will tackle about in getting the ship's position by only getting the 2-star. So, in getting the ship's position, you must first have the DR, which is the latitude and then the longitude. So, zoom lang. Okay. So, the DR in the given is 44 degrees 10 minutes north and then 169 30 minutes east. So in getting the DR, you must have tupong na dira o 44 degrees 10 minutes. So line ta dire og niya ang iyang DR 169 30 minutes east. So ato na tunong dire line ta dire og nag-intersect siya mo ng ato ang DR. So ang triangle mo ng ato ang DR. So dead reckoning. So when you get the DR, next is get the ZN of Markup. The ZN of Markup it nakalagay dire is 85.2. So ang 85.2 arita dire sa may compass. So 85.2 na mo ng 85.2, then ato na i-transfer paari dire. Since nakalagay dire na away, so pabaliktad ang ato line. Dapo. 85.2 line ta dira, katapos line na to na ilagay dira sa dot or dira sa my DR. So line ta dira mo na ato ang ZN na markup or azimuth, which is 85.2. Then katapos ko sa markup sa ZN, mogamit tawog composite divider, musukod tawog iyang INT or intercept na 5.2 dire. So magpunta dira. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ano ta sukod pag lagay nato dire. So as you can see mo nang iyahang ITP sa markup or intercept sa markup na 5.2. So dirita magdot mo nang iyahang pinaka-intercept. So nakalagay dito na ang iyahang the next thing na itong gagawin is kunin natin ang right angle ng azimuth. So 85.2, in order to get it we must plus and then minus the azimuth. So 85.2 plus 90 is 175. So 175.2 ato na i-plot dire sa may compass. So dire 175 magatuan na i-transfer dire sa mga. So that is the first position line, 355.2 and then 175.2. So after nakuha ang ang position line, the next thing is getting the ATP. So the ATP of is 44 degrees 10 minutes north, then 169 degrees 169 degrees and 23 minutes east. So that's the first ATP. So the next thing after getting the first PL or the position line of the of the markup, we must go to the next star, which is the Razel hog. So Razel hog, which has an azimuth of 183.3. So 183.3 lagi dire og atoan na i-transfer sa DR nato. So, so that line serve as the azimuth of the rising log. And then, kunin natin ang intercept na 6.4. So, sukod ta dire 6.4. 6.4. Then, lagay natin. So, that line, that serve as the intercept is 6.4. So, katapos, after getting the intercept, the right angle of the azimuth must be indicated in plus 90 or minus 90. So 183.3 plus 90 is 273.3, and then 183.3 minus 90 is 93.3. So after getting it, ito na directly muna kanyang line. Then ito na i-transfer sa dira. So that line serve as the secant PL. So the secant PL is, or the ITP is 44 degrees 02 minutes north and 169 30 degrees east. So here is the SIPS position, the two intersecting of the two PLs. So the SIPS position is 44 degrees 03 minutes north and 169 23 degrees east.